I feel like everything is betting on me to fail. Growing up, I've seen the faces of people change, the words of people change, relationships that were supposed to last a lifetime become buried and forgotten about. And I ask myself the question of what was their purpose in my life? Why did I meet them? I wonder if they are thinking about me in the same way I think about them. Over time, it starts to feel like I'm in an escape room, as if my voice is isolated and drowned out. Every day I wake up and replay scenarios, dissecting them further in efforts to find peace.